Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of South Carolina. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. Welcome. Today we are going for a ride in this bad to the bone stick shift S550 with a Whipple on it. Let's jump inside and go for a ride. Hopping in. Oh man, look at this. Race seats. Heck yeah. That's freaking sharp. Ooh, look at this, nice and tight. Dang, I feel like I'm in a Corvette. This thing is low, brother.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, this is a whole different riding experience.
This is the minimum drop spring. This is just a BMR performance spring.
Yeah, but these seats.
Oh yeah. Well,
Oh
that one's well, it's something. I lifted this one a little bit.
Dude, this is freaking sweet. Look at this interior. Nice and gutted for racing. Look at that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go for a ride in this bad mamma jammer. This is my first time in a Whipple supercharged 5-speed or 6-speed. This is gonna be sweet. Heck yeah. Experience some clutch chatter. Yeah, with a high performance clutch, so that's kind of what do you call that? Expected.
Oh, yeah.
There it goes. Yep. Man, I like these seats. Hell yeah, you're like in here.
It's loud in my car too.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I got the back seat set up, but it was loud.
Right.
before that.
Oh, you can hear the suspension.
Hear that
Like
gear
you're-
whine?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's funny because it's the same differential, which was silent
Right.
before all the suspension, but make it solid, you're gonna hear it.
Yeah, you were saying that. You said the more
Yeah.
solid components you put in the suspension, the more you feel everything, hear everything.
Told you it don't hold the same gear. That was like 35.
I'm telling you, you gotta try them R888s. I think it will hook it. I think it'll hook it. There she goes. There she goes.
That was about 80.
80. Yeah, it gets there right now.
RPM, that was low RPM.
Right. You about 6? You shifted?
Up 55.
55. Because you can really feel it starting to ramp in. Oh, this is nice. It's a nice little road right here.
Nice little handle.
Yeah, very nice. Great sounding exhaust. Oh yeah. Snap, crackles, and pops. I love it.
You good your way?
You're good. God, I love that.
Yeah, my car never did that until I put this Whipple on.
Put some E85 in the tank, it does it even more. Little blipper.
Feel that shit just kick.
Oh yeah. RPM band. It just goes.
Instantaneous.
God, Ruby looks so good in your driveway.
Am I leaving it?
Not permanently, no. I know Candy would love to have it. That's sick. Well, hey, thanks an awful lot, Pony, for giving me a ride in the car. Had a great time. Little grocery run. It's okay. We still got to burn the tires off a little bit, get a little whole shot action, get to listen to the exhaust and some snap, crackle, and pop.
Did you get a shot of this?
I did not.
Shot of the man handle.
The man stick.
That's what we refer to as a man handle.
The man handle.
Man handle.
There you go. All right, everybody, we're gonna hop out of the car. We can show you some more footage of this bad mobile that Pony has here. So check this out, you guys. Is this beautiful or what? I gotta say, I'm very, very envious of Pony's engine. Unlike the Gen 3 Coyote, he could put these beautiful friggin' valve covers on. Right now, there's not a whole lot out there for Ruby as far as valve covers, unless you want to spend like $1,200 on a billet set. $1,200 can go to some other performance parts that I think Ruby would benefit more from than some really fancy valve covers. But I got Pony 1992 with me right here. We've been hanging out all weekend. Thank you so much for the hospitality. Been having an absolute blast. Yeah, would you mind telling me just a little bit about this beast?
All right, so started off as my pretty car. So basically it only went to like car shows and Mustang Week. And so decided I want to drag race it. Sitting there doing nothing, might as well drag race it. So give a rundown. Stock engine, got the 2.9 liter Whipple, Gen 3 Stage 2. We're pulleyed at 3.625, probably 12 pounds of boost. Through Ram clutch, T56 Magnum XL, DSS drive shaft, DSS axles, full rear suspension, mostly Steeda, a couple of J&M parts, and that's the basics. I mean, there's plenty more. We got some Bear brakes on the front. Try to lighten it up a little bit as much as I could, but that's the basics.
Oh yeah, look at those beauties shining behind the rim. Man, they almost match the ruby red paint job.
You know what's funny about it?
Beautiful.
Tell you a little information about this. That is the base color for Bear brakes. Any other color is like $250 more.
Really?
And I was like, I can work with that.
Yeah, they fit my car perfect. Heck yeah, man.
Yeah, that was like a bonus.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, thanks an awful lot, man. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna put you guys into a montage real quick of what this car looks like, and we'll get back with Pony here in a minute. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had an absolute blast hanging out with Pony 1992. His beautiful Mustang is awesome. He got on it a few times, took you guys for a ride with us. Definitely puts the power down. Sometimes it doesn't. Second gear's a little saucy, but hey, it was a good time. Thank you so much for the hospitality. I've had an absolute blast this weekend. Thank you so much for everything. We've had an absolute blast. I wish you guys were here. You're gonna have to make it next year. So hey, if you guys enjoyed this video and you like all this Mustang content going on around here, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.